To raise awareness about the Northeast, which has a rich and vibrant culture, various events are held across the country on a regular basis. Today, we take you to Kolkata, which recently hosted the Seven Sisters Weave Fair.
The week-long handicraft fair was held in Kolkata and it attracted participants from the northeastern states. Soni, an exhibitor from Nagaland, showcased a variety of products like bags, cushion covers, fabrics and Naga shawls. She was thrilled by the response of the people.
Since Weaver Studio is very famous for the textile division and doing a lot for craftsmen, so definitely we will have a good contact or marketing platform. Yeah.
The exhibitors benefit from the fair as they get to know customer demands and the changes they need to make in their products for markets in Kolkata and in other places. The fair was organized by Weaver Studio of Kolkata with the aim of bringing exhibitors and artisans from the Northeast on one platform to showcase their rich handicrafts and handlooms.
The lack of easy tourism, because of the lack of actually all of us making an effort, that we call it as a separate Seven Sisters. But they're not really. They're all a part of India, and that the more now with communication networking being so easy, if we could bring them here and if we could travel there, it would make it a wonderful experience to present what they do and to make it a sustainable development and livelihood for them.
I believe that this exhibition, it's not only the profit making and all, but we would like to exhibit our great traditional attires and all, and also to preserve and showcase our rich traditional attires and all.
Many visitors thronged the venue and appreciated the products on display. During the fair, artists from Manipur performed dances like Ras Leela, Lai Ha Rawa and Pung Cholom.
This is a very exciting exhibition. Northeast is, full of colors, attitude, and lots of, it's a riot of colors actually. So whatever little they're offering me is beautiful sling bags and shoulder bags rather. So I have quite a wide choice of bags which are not always available in Kolkata. There are showrooms in town where you can really go and get bags, but here it's directly from the weavers, so it's great fun and very interesting designs. I'm really thrilled to see all of these. I'm taking, I think, 6 of them.
Such fairs not only bring the artisans into limelight but also provide them a platform to reach out to a new market.